Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, and today is Monday, November 15th, 2021. It is 1:14 and 21 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And today's research, anticoagulants. So let's hop to it here. Anticoagulant has beneficial side effects for COVID-19 patients. Study finds. Date November 12, 2021. Source, Medical University of Vienna. Clotting problems and resulting complications are common in COVID-19 patients. Researchers have now shown that a member of the anticoagulant group of drugs not only has a beneficial effect on survival of COVID-19 patients, but also influences the duration of active infection with the SARS-CoV-2 coronavirus. Coronavirus disease, COVID-19, is a multifaceted infectious disease. While at the start of the global pandemic, it was assumed that COVID-19 was primarily a disease of the lungs. It is now known that several functional systems in the human body are affected following infection with the pathogen SARS-CoV-2. COVID-19 patients have an increased risk of thromboses and embolisms, such strokes, pulmonary myocardial infarctions, and even deep vein thrombosis. The use of drugs that inhibit blood clotting has been part of the treatment guidelines for COVID-19 since July 2020. These complications during hospitalization have a direct impact on the well-being of patients and increase the risk of dying from COVID-19. The coagulopathy observed in COVID-19 patients is novel and differs in many respects from previously known coagulation problems. COVID-19 associated coagulopathy displays characteristics that, although partially comparable with other coagulation diseases, cannot be fully explained. The researchers therefore started to look for an explanation for the subcondition of COVID-19 in the spring of 2020, in an early phase of the pandemic. In a multi-center analysis of COVID-19 patients in Vienna, the group observed that COVID-19 associated coagulopathy occurs almost exclusively in patients requiring intensive care or in patients who die as a result of COVID-19. Although anticoagulant drugs improve the survival of COVID-19 patients, they show no effect on immunological processes related to blood coagulation, immunothrombosis. The analysis showed, however, that the period of active SARS-CoV-2 infection is curtailed in patients treated with low molecular weight heparin, the most commonly used anticoagulant. In patients who receive this drug, infection time is an average of 4 days shorter than in patients who are not treated with low molecular weight heparin. Researchers were surprised to see that low molecular weight heparin may have a direct effect on coronavirus and its infectivity. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.